Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, TechBerto. In this video, we will program Arduino using the code generated by ChatGPT. First, we have to download Arduino IDE. Select software and then download the IDE for your operating system. Next, we have to search for OpenAI. When you're in the OpenAI website, scroll down and select ChatGPT. We'll go back to this page later. Now let's blink an LED using the code generated by ChatGPT. Connect a wire from digital output pin number 2 to anode of the LED. Connect another wire from resistor to ground. Now open ChatGPT and log in with your Google account. Here you type in your question and ChatGPT will give you the answer. Now copy the sketch and then paste it to Arduino IDE. Click Verify to check if the sketch have an error. Select Tools and then select the port where your Arduino is connected. Then upload the sketch. The LED will be on every second. Now I will change the delay to 100 milliseconds. Then upload the sketch. Uploading of sketch done. As you can see, the LED blinks faster. Next, we'll program Arduino to blink 10 LEDs randomly. Now connect wires from digital output pin 2 to digital output pin 11 and connect it to the anode of the LED bar. Three more wires. Now connect 220 ohms resistors to the cathode of the LED bar. Now connect a wire to the ground. I use one wire because all the resistors are connected in one rail. Open ChatGPT again, then type blink 10 LEDs randomly. Now ChatGPT is generating the sketch. Now copy the sketch and then paste it to Arduino IDE. Verify the sketch and then upload to Arduino. Now the LEDs are blinking randomly. We'll program again Arduino to create a running light effect. ChatGPT done generating another sketch, and then if you scroll down you will see some explanation. Now copy again the sketch, paste sketch in Arduino IDE, verify sketch, now select the port, then upload the sketch. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Now I will change the time delay to 15 milliseconds.